In this episode I will do some welding, I will have some fun with cables, and I will do some weird faces during painting. And let's go straight to the work. I will drill out the top of the strut mount. And here I am trying to very optimistically to just use the hammer and get it out, but no, it took much more work than this. So finally, after 4 hours, this piece is finally out. As you can see, it's quite rusty, and I'm happy that I'm going to change it all, not just the tiny part which was rusted on the top. So yeah, it's about 4 hours for this. Yeah, it was totally not fun. And now is the time to take the nice rust-free one from the donor part or from the new part. So yeah, I just need to drill the new piece out and just hope that it will go better than the old rusty piece. So I'm going to weld in this piece. I left one drilled hole there so I can fix it with one screw, and now I can do the final adjustment, and then I can weld it to the place, and that will be another rusty part fixed. And we can now jump to another rust spot which needs to be fixed, and that's the passenger side rail, specifically the front of it. First I need to cut off the old rusty parts. And now it's the time to weld some new, not rusty metal parts in. And since I don't want to bother you with a video which will have like 3 hours, I fixed like other 15 spots, rusty spots off camera. You can see some of them here where I'm pushing the cables on the driver side rail and around. But now, yeah, I will have some fun with cables and labeling them, and then putting all of them out of the way, since I want to, yeah, later on paint the engine bay. So I don't want to paint the cables because I think that's not very nice looking then. So I need to push them to the interior. So I need to mark all of the cables so I will know where they go, and then I will push them. So yeah, let's do it. And after this nice cable exercise, we can do now some prep work for painting these outer parts or wings or under the wing sections. So I'm using a braid cleaner to prepare it for the layers of protection. And of course the same prep work on the other side as well. And it would be a shame if I do some overspraying or doing some imperfections somewhere outside the area which I am painting and protecting. Then I will just do some masking in the surrounding area. And finally, first layer of protection can go there, but I am too excited, so I put the spray handle there wrongly, and now it's just spraying inside the handle and it's all messy and not the expected result. It happens. So let's try it this time with without the additional handle, and it's okay. But I did another mistake which I will explain in a minute. So actually I did a mistake. I put the first coat with the 930, which is the underbody coating, but I wanted to use this 950, which is the underbody protection, and it's black and it's better, so I used the right one. And now after 2 layers of the right protection, which is the 950, I will remove this masking from the surrounding area. So the parts are now nice and protected, so I will now use some putty, so I will fix some imperfections inside the engine bay so it can be prepared for paint as well. And now after some time, when the putty is hard enough, it's time for a lot of sanding. And after sanding, I will put some sealant on. So I did some prep work. I put a sealant here, so it will look more like it should. Yeah, I did some preparation here. I put there some spray putty. I should have here. There it is, spray putty. So there, I'm just waiting until it will dry. Same with the sealant. So in the meantime, I will just paint this rail. I already did it with the other side, so that one is already painted. So I will do the same thing with this one. And after finishing rails, more sanding is waiting. So all of the engine bay surfaces will be ready to get painted. Now I'm applying some more primer on the strut towers, because for me these are the spots which needs to look the best, so yeah, I try to manage that. And now a quick masking magic, and we can now together go to the last stage, which is painting the engine bay. And after 4 layers of paint, I will put there now 3 layers of nice shiny coating. So this is the first. Second layer of coating. And now third and final layer. And now we can together enjoy the final result. And that's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.